We are Track Record.
We are never finished.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. First of all, let me just say, before we get this started, I want to remind you guys, check out this shirt. This is our Never Finished shirt. We got the wide body WRX Never Finished. This is the back. Got the logo on the front. We got the logo transfer sticker. I have mine on the back of my car right now. And then we also have the black background, just a regular sticker you can put on your laptop, water bottle, whatever you want to do. And of course, we got the Never Finished logo hat. And I almost forgot, we also have the WRX Never Finished poster, which is honestly one of my favorite things on the store right now, just because it's such an awesome picture and it's a poster. Who doesn't want posters up in their room or in their garage? So if you guys are interested in any of these things, neverfinish.com, you guys already know what it is. So on with the video. Okay, so before we get this started, I know I keep stopping, but I just want to say, I wanted to originally do this in like on the driveway or something on a beautiful, bright, sunny day in the warm sun. But if you guys live in California, you'll probably know that it's been raining for the past like 4 to 5 days and it hasn't stopped yet. So we're doing this in the garage. We're working with what we have. And since we're gonna be stuck in here, I wanted to make it look a little bit better and a little bit more interesting by switching up the lighting, because I really do hate the yellow dim lighting that I have in here. So let's switch it up a little bit. All right, it's a little bit better. This is gonna be awesome. All right, last time. So check this out. I'm just telling you this because it's kind of funny, but you see this all along here? That is a completely sun blocking material. Any extra light bleeding into the garage when we're shooting videos kind of gets blocked out, and we can have a controlled lighting in here, which is great. But the funny part is on the other side, it looks silver. You can clearly see that something's up there. I don't really know what our neighbors think that we do in the garage when it's covered up, so we're just filming car videos. That's all we're doing. Nothing illegal. So, all right, now get into this. As you can tell, Perrin boxes. I want to give a huge shout out and a thank you to Perrin for sponsoring this video. Perrin was my #1 choice when it came to the intercooler for the car. I've always known that I wanted to get the Perrin intercooler. I don't know which one I want to start with. I guess I'll start with this one and then we'll save the best for last, which is the actual intercooler itself. So I don't know the best way to go about this. Yes. We got more Perrin boxes. I love opening boxes. Oh, check it out. That is awesome. This is super cool. Thank you, Perrin. So got some cool Perrin stickers. I'll definitely be using these for something. And then we got some, oh shoot, we got some shirts. I'm assuming one for me and one for Jordan. So we got a Team Perrin shirt. That's a cool shirt. Let's get to the real deal here. Wow. These feel super nice. I'm just gonna open one of them for now just because it's just the piping. I actually I don't know why I thought this, but I thought that these were plastic, like a durable plastic, but these are actually a metal, and they have this awesome red, rough, kind of like grippy coating. These definitely feel really, really nice. I don't have a whole lot to compare it to with the stock stuff because it is a top mount, obviously, so it's gonna be a lot different. This is a total reconstruction of the intercooler and where it's being placed. Definitely really excited about this. Ooh. Oh, this is like a banner. That is awesome. Thank you again for that. That's really cool. And it is really cool of them that they put 2 of each of these things because I think they're watching out for Jordan too, because you know, we're a team. All right, so let's start with this box in here. All right, so it looks like we got some hardware and then the coolant overflow tank. Okay, so that's this. This is gonna be the coolant overflow tank. Coolant lines, I'm assuming. So there's that, and then this is probably the instructions that go with that. So next up, we have these clamps. I don't know what you call these, O clamps, ring clamps, whatever. Got some kind of a mount here. These are going to play a huge role in this installation because these hold everything pretty much together. Some rubber sleeves and elbows, and looks like a Y sleeve or whatever you call these things. These just attach the tubes. Got more instructions. This is the windshield washer tank. That's right. So when you get this kit, because of the way that the tubing goes around through the front bumper, you are going to need to replace, and they provide it, which is this, obviously a much higher quality and better windshield washer tank, basically, so that it fits with the tubing and everything. So let me just take that out. And actually, I'm pretty sure my windshield tank has a crack in it anyway, so this is perfect. Check this thing out. This is nice. I mean, this is literally just the windshield washer fluid tank, but it is like perfect looking. I don't think I'll ever see such a nice washer fluid reservoir ever again. Like, honestly, the finish on this is amazing. The welds look incredible. And like, the thing is, you never see this. Like, you'll never see this on the car. It's just always gonna be hidden by the bumper, but they really did it up really nice with this, so really love that. This is the real deal here. Oh, this looks good. In case you want to spray paint the Perrin logo on the front of your intercooler, they give you this stencil for that. This thing is a beast. So as you can see, this is the Perrin front mount intercooler. This thing is an absolute beast. It just feels extremely solid. And of course, the quality of this thing is incredible, going along with the windshield washer fluid. This thing, the welds and just the quality of the finish and the coating, it all looks awesome. You have the Perrin logo stamped into the sides here, which looks really cool. Again, stuff you're really not gonna see, but details that they added are just really nice touches. So obviously this is much bigger than the stock intercooler. It's been a while since we've added any power to the WRX. I know it's been missing some of that for a while. We've been doing some visual stuff here and there, but now it's time to get back to the performance and really make this thing come out of its shell and be something really awesome, even more so than it is already. So really excited about this. This is honestly one of the most exciting things that I've put on the car, just because it is a performance part and a really nice one at that, but also it's kind of a visual thing as well, because you can see it and it looks super aggressive. And as you can tell, I went with the black color. Let me know in the comment section what color you guys would prefer. Perrin has the really nice black color, as well as the silver, which is, I believe, the standard finish. It was a hard choice for me because, like, the silver color, obviously you can see right away, it stands out in front of your car. So if you like that, you know, that just jumps out at you, you can instantly see what it is, then the silver is a way to go. But the black, I'm all about that black kind of stealth look. So the black was really perfect for me, even though you're not gonna see it all the time in the dark or whatever. Honestly, black goes with anything. So no matter what kind of color scheme, or if I decide to change the color of the car, black is still gonna go with it. All right, so now that is out of the way, that's all the Perrin stuff that I have today. So the last thing that I do wanna unbox is this little tiny box right here. Now, this is not from Perrin, but it is important part or mod, I guess you'd call it, for the WRX, a high flow fuel pump. As the WRX is going on E85 soon, we're gonna be putting a flex fuel kit into the car, which is like on top of the intercooler. It's a whole nother world of opportunities and possibilities for the WRX. And when you go flex fuel, there's two things that are recommended that you get for the car before you go on E85. and that is an upgraded high flow fuel pump for the car. The other thing that is recommended for going on E85, it's kind of like a prerequisite along with the fuel pump, is an electronic boost controller, which I actually got on the car when I first got it pro-tuned. It's the Grimspeed boost controller. So those are two things that you need to have before you go on E85, and this is, you know, the last thing that I needed basically. And the next step is putting all of this stuff on the car: fuel pump, front mount intercooler, and the flex fuel kit from Cobb. And then we're going pro-tune. I'm actually going to a different shop this time. I'll get more into that in another video as we get closer to that. Super excited about all of this. I hope you guys are too. I think that's pretty much everything that I wanted to show you. So again, huge shout out and thank you to Perrin for hooking it up with the front mount intercooler. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or if you just enjoyed the video, leave us a comment down below. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. Remember to check out neverfinish.com for the hat, shirt, stickers, poster, everything else that you guys want will be there. So you guys know how this ends. We are never finished, and we will catch you guys in the next one.